Hello, welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today, let's form a party and open some Zendikar Rising. Let us get right into this. We have Seafloor Stalker, Tazim Raptor, a low battery thing just popped up, so I'm unsure if it was still recording. Ardent Electromancer, Kazandu Stomper, Subtle Strike, Territorial Scythecat, heck yeah. Bubble Snare, Pressure Point, Spitfire Lagak. Dude, there's been so much good art in this. Relic Amulet, Fireblade Charger, Umara Wizard, which turns into a land. We have Urn Reef Ooze. Okay. I have a bunch of oozes. Maybe I should make an ooze deck. Shatter Skull Minotaur, Swamp, and a Goblin Construct token. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.